Hi guys, today I'm showing you basically what I do to replace some of the nocks on these Easton arrows. These are Easton Powerflight arrows. So what's happened here is I lost one just came out, the other one just snapped. So there's a few ways you can do this. You can heat up the plastic, drive it into the back of a cordon here. It says light chamber, basically clean the inside of it with a cotton swab and pipe cleaner dipped in 91% alcohol. Lightly hold the knock end with a pin and pliers. Heat the Easton hot melt cement with a flame. Coat the long stem of the pin. Blah de blah. But what I'm going to do is I'm using Loctite. The reason I'm using Loctite is because I find that on I actually glued the this field arrow tip, you know what I mean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze some of that into there. There you go, just see that lightly. Okay, now that's plenty enough, a bit more. You just see that there. I'm just going to apply one of those in. Now I'm going to use this knock tool just to drive it in. So you'll hear that go clip like so. I just pull it out. So that's nice and tight. Now I haven't heated anything up. I'm going to do the same again with this one. Now I know some people have different ways of doing things. This is the way I found to be the easiest. Again, just put some in there, dab of glue. You'll see what I mean. Right. And then doing the same thing again. The reason I went for yellow is because when I'm losing these things in the field, it's just easy for me to pick them out, find them. There you go. That's that one done. Simple. And what I'll do is I'll just let that set, and away you go. So that's just a quick look at the Easton Authentic components, complete with knock tool and Loctite Ultra Gel. I hope this has helped you out, guys. I bought this from this guy here, which was www.redfrogarchery.com. That was £10 dropped. It's expensive, but you know, genuine Easton stuff. It's got the little Easton thing in there, I don't know if you can see it. And it's made in the old USA, which it says on there. It's not Chinese crap. Thanks for watching. Have some good fun with the archeries. Keep safe out there. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks very much for watching.